Hi guys! Today I'm continuing to talk about budgetary atom tattoo machines from Dragonhawk company. In this video review is the Atom M6. Let's take a look and compare it with Atom M4. Is there any difference? My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Information about the Dragonhawk company has in last video reviews, talking about the box. Outwardly it's a standard black green box with Dragonhawk logo and color graphics. But for you, the Dragonhawk can send this tattoo machine in a different package, for example in white or in black boxes without anything, so don't be surprised. Inside the second box with RCA clip cord, Atom M6 is a red color. Its length is 121 millimeters. It weighs more than the Atom M4, for example. The body has logo Dragonhawk and some technical parameters. The company Dragonhawk informs the machine weight is 175 grams. Of course, we will check it on the scales. The weight is correct. Let me remind you that the weight Atom M4 is 150 grams. Your hand needs to get used to the weight, especially if you have worked with lighter equipment before. This tattoo machine for my hand is a bit heavy, and working with powder brows, for example, for me was uncomfortable. According to my feelings, the Atom M6 seems to fall to one side of in the hand because of too weight. The pen has two colors, red and black. Its price is about $64. Grip's diameter is 30 millimeters. We can sterilize the grips because it's fully removed. Based on my experience, I use disinfectant and autoclave, and sometimes I use the high temperature sterilizer box, but up to 100 Celsius because it can affect the color of grip. The Atom M6 compatible with tattoo cartridges from Envy, Vertix, Defender, Dragonhawk, Mask, Quadron, Cheyenne, Big Wasp and others. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip without fixing clicks. It's to 4.5 millimeters. Also, for good flow pigment on this tattoo machine, I use a needle protrusion from 3 to 3.5 or 3.7 millimeters. The needle stroke is 4 millimeters. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo machine has a long needle stroke. Therefore, the Atom M6 is harder than the Atom M4 because the Atom M4 is hybrid. Operating voltage is 5 to 12 volts. The Atom M6 is more powerful than the Atom M4. This pen works with different power supplies, but I prefer the power supply with current strength from 2 amperes. Let's turn on it. I'm going to work with a new power supply mast and cartridge WJX. My working voltage 5.5. The tattoo machine has vibration and noise. Let's go. The Atom M6 works well, but it's harder than Atom 4 or the Atom Classic. And during my work I'm feeling its vibration and weight. Well, let's sum up our video review, guys. The Atom M6 is from Chinese company Dragonhawk. This tattoo machine is a bit heavy for my hand, and working with powder brows, for example, for me was uncomfortable. According to my feeling, the Atom M6 seems to fall to one side of in the hand because of the weight. With Atom M4, your hand needs to get used to the weight, but this pen in the hands quite comfortably without any windage. The Atom M6 has a price about $64, but the Atom M4 has price about $50. The Atom M6 also can work with different skins and various techniques, for example, powder brows, lipsticks, areola, scars and others, but I don't recommend it for beginners artists because it's quite heavy and has vibration and noise more than Atom Classic and Atom M4, for example. Also, the Atom M6 is harder than Atom M4 and Atom Classic. You can try my off-skin more. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.